Uba ALF MLA ke Seng BJP bat Myntri ke sorkar MDA ulong ba Kyrshan yang Jingdawa ke Seng ban Tohkit daka Lokayukta ha kaba iadei bat ke jingkynnoh Bamsap ha Garo Hills Autononous District Council bat ha Jaintia Hills Autononous District Council. Ula pynpaw ba kino ki kam kiba iadei bat ke jingeh jong paidbah nak liang jong kloi ban iatreilang bat Kyrshan ya ke parti.
Anything which is related for the public grievances, not only BJP or the political parties, they should take up. We are here as a political party, as a public representative, to serve the people. If we are not taking up the problem facing with the people, then what for we are as a leader and as a party we are here. We have the agenda wise, we have the program, we have our party stands. Wherever is a party stand, we stand together. Where we are going to divide the party, as a party we are always there together. But we have to see also, because we are in the alliance partner. Okay, when we are the alliance partner, we should also have to respect each other. From the beginning, we have been taken up the issue. There is nothing wrong to take up the issue, but there should not be character assassination to any individual. It is an issue which has to be taken up. That's all only. But if you have to, until unless it has been proven or it has been convicted, it cannot be make any personal attack on anybody.